Thank you, Dr. Hicks. At your table, there are note cards or note paper. Please jot down your questions for Dr. Hicks and the panelists as we go forward. And if you have questions now for Dr. Hicks, just hold them up, and our Chris Watts and Kim will be collecting those. While we're waiting for questions, we have a couple of minutes for questions for Dr. Hicks before we open it up to the panel. Dr. Hicks, what would be the one area you think we should focus on so that when we do come out of this in 2011, Indiana can surge ahead among those other states?
In the very short run, the single area I think that's going to be most important is I should say this, let me back up. In the very short run into 2010, the end of 2010 to 2011, the one factor that makes the most difference between Indiana and other states, in my judgment, is its fiscal condition. Businesses that are investing large levels of plant and equipment into regions look and care an awful lot about the long-term stability of the tax system. And while we are not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, the level of imperfection that other states have provided us makes us look very good by comparison. And I think that would be one area that Indiana would want to promote ruthlessly and to continue to exploit over the next 2 to 3 years.